Hi, I'm going to show you how to download and install R and RStudio for a PC. So, you just start out, open up a browser, and let's go to r-project.org. And this is the website for the R project for statistical computing. On the left-hand side, under Download, click on the CRAN link. That stands for the Comprehensive R Archive Network. And you'll have a list of mirrors, so you can either click the location for the country closest to you, or click the first one. It's just an automatic redirection. And you'll get a list of optional links. Download R for Linux, for Mac, for Windows. This is for Windows, so let's go ahead and click on that. And it'll ask you, do you want base, contrib, old contrib, RTools? When you're more advanced, you'll probably want RTools as well, but for now, just all you need to do is click on base, and it'll bring you to this window. The latest version is 3.5.0. By the time this MOOC starts, there might be an even newer version. So go ahead and click whatever is the latest version up here. Give that a few moments to download. Okay, let's open it up. Gonna click run. You're gonna need administrative properties, privileges for this. Yep. Click OK. Read it all. Download it to where you want it to download. Click Next. Do you want to customize startup options? Later on you can, but for now let's just click Accept Defaults. And then you can decide whether or not to have a desktop shortcut. I don't think you really need it because we're going to be using RStudio and not really R. There you go. Associate R with R.R data files. Sure. And let that run. Okay, finish. Let's look up what that looks like. Let's search for R. Okay, so this is what the R GUI looks like. It's very simple. The icons are very old-fashioned, and this is kind of like the console. We're not going to be really working in this. We're going to be working on an IDE that's built on top of this at RStudio. So go to RStudio on your browser. Once it loads, click on Download RStudio, and you'll see a bunch of options. The primary ones are for businesses. We just want the open source license RStudio desktop link. So click on download for that. It'll bring you down to a list of download links for Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. We want the Windows, so click on that. Let that download. Okay, once again, double open that up. You're gonna need administrative privileges for this. To click yes. Set it up. Next, next, next. And just hit that run, let that run. So this is why I recommend R for journalists when they want to get into deeper with data analysis. It's because you only need 2 programs to download and install and to run, and you're set up to go. You don't have to deal with environments. You don't have to deal with a lot of weird virtual machines or anything. You just can, if you have administrative privileges, you can just get this. So now that's installed, and I can run RStudio. And this is it. This is what we're going to be working out of throughout the entire course. Be sure to check out the tour for RStudio in Module 1. Alright, I'll see you then.